beautifully townhome, near shopping, hospitals, and Interstate. The property is a 2-story, open floor plan on the main level with soaring ceiling in the dining, living and kitchen areas. The kitchen has lots of white cabinetry with an island and breakfast bar, pantry, overlooking the living room. Bedrooms are roomy. The upstairs bedroom has a double sink vanity and a walk-in closet. Kitchen offers stainless steel refrigerator, electric stove/microwave/dishwasher, granite top, tile backsplash, garbage disposal, and washer and dryer included.